Hey, what's up guys? Today I will share top 5 hidden features of your Samsung Galaxy A04s. So buckle up and let's start. And the first hidden feature is the call background. Yes, you can change the background of the call application. For that, first of all, go to the phone application. And here, then go to options. Now go to settings. And now the second option you will see is call background. Go to it. And here you can change the layout also. But in this video, I'm covering the background. So let's go to background. And boom, here you have 4 different backgrounds from which you can select the one that you love. Or you can add your own video or photo by add option on top right. It's really cool. And by the next hidden feature, you can make your Galaxy A04s feel faster. Yes, I'm right. For that, first of all, go to settings, scroll down to end, and go to about phone. And now here, go to software information. Here you will see the build number on 6th option. Just tap it twice for 5 times. After that, developer options are enabled. Now go back to settings. Scroll down. And here you will see the developer options. Just go to it. Scroll down here a bit until you see the Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. Just change all these from 1x to 0.5x. And after changing these all, done. By this you can make the Galaxy A04s feel faster and you will immediately feel the difference. And the third hidden feature is the keep screen on while viewing. This feature is helpful when you are reading long blog or email. For that, first of all, go to settings. Now scroll down and here go to advanced features and then go to motions and gesture. And now here turn on the keep screen on while viewing. By this, phone will detect your face using the front camera and keep the screen on. And the fourth hidden feature is recycling the deleted messages. Yes, you can restore the accidentally deleted messages. For that, go to Samsung's official message application and then go to options. And here you will see recycle bin. Just tap it. And here you can empty the recycle bin or you can restore also. Just select the messages and tap restore. Keep in mind, deleted messages will remain here for just 30 days. And this is pretty useful feature. The fifth hidden feature is the side key. Now by pressing the side or the power key twice, you can open immediately your favorite application. Here you can see by default camera is set. You can also change this application. Simply go to settings, scroll down and go to advanced features. Here you will see side key. Just click it. Now here make sure it's turned on and go to open application. Now here select your favorite application like I'm selecting YouTube and go to home. Let's try. And boom, here you can see it's working. So these were the top 5 hidden features of your Samsung Galaxy A04s. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care.